Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and enabling two-factor authentication. This secures access. Once done, install or enable the ChatGPT integration in Gmail, Docs, or the Chrome extension. Make sure to accept only necessary permissions. You'll authorize API access or link your ChatGPT account. Follow prompts and verify by sending a quick test query. If a billing prompt appears, review plan details before continuing. This prevents surprises and keeps your workspace ready for the next steps. You now compose with intent. Open Gmail, Docs, or the chat overlay and choose the ChatGPT model. Configure temperature, tone, and max tokens to control creativity and length. Lower values yield concise output. Once set, draft prompts that include role instructions and 1-2 examples so the model understands format. Make sure to provide context like audience, length, and required sections. Use inline edits to refine replies, and request revisions by specifying what to keep or change for precise results. You finalize by reviewing the generated content for factual accuracy and tone, then edit as needed before inserting into your document or sending an email. Once satisfied, export, schedule, or copy the text into your workflow and save a version history. If something breaks, no response, auth errors, or odd outputs, first reconnect the integration and reauthorize permissions, then clear your browser cache and retry. If issues persist, reduce prompt complexity and try a simpler query to isolate the problem. And RESTORE.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.